So now, let's assume that from a complexity perspective in the ecosystem, you feel good. You feel good, you feel good. How about you're doing in the ecosystem? You feel good about the partners that you have in your ecosystem. And then things get interesting again. You're starting to see new players. You're starting to see pressure to develop new use cases. You're starting to see pressure to interoperate with devices that you haven't seen before. And then you start realizing that different ecosystems are starting to intersect. Just at the moment that you're feeling good about it. Just now, things get interesting again. And that happens with technology. Technology tends to bridge ecosystems. Obvious example is connectivity. Users want seamless connectivity. Electrification is another example. Electrification is creating very unusual and unexpected associations between your car, your home, and infrastructure. And then you have technologies, new technologies with new use cases. They come, and their intent is to create use cases across ecosystems. They only work if they work across ecosystems. In one technology, such technology is UWB. UWB is a wireless technology used for sensing, ranging, the ability to know where an object is relative to you. And so the reason this technology is getting adopted by automotives, by phones, by IoT, is because it provides a solution to a difficult problem. Knowing where an object is relative to you with enough accuracy to make decisions. And the magic there is accuracy. There's a difference between 10 meters and 10 centimeters. There's a difference between inside the bathroom and outside the bathroom. The use cases are different. The granularity of the measurement of the distance makes the use case. Now, the first to take advantage of this performance that UWB gives you was the car, the automotive, and the phones. Phones and cars started to deploy UWB for secure car access. But then you realize UWB gives you a lot more than that. UWB is not just to access your car and open your card. Now your car knows exactly where you are and who you are based on your phone, and is able to react to you. Is it inside the car? Is it outside the car? Is it on the left? Is it on the right? Is it on the front, on the back? The level of use case delivered by UWB, it completely augments the old car use case. And the moment that the UWB makes it in the phone, it becomes a free resource. Now you can use that free resource, connect to other devices, maybe in your home. And now all of a sudden your home has the capability to know where you are. And remember that vision that we had on the smart home as an autonomous home, as a preemptive home? Well, now you have a new toolkit. You just provided your home spatial awareness, the awareness to know where objects are relative to oneself. And now you just provided another layer to create a more rich, complex use case in your home. You know, tremendous value happens at the intersection of these ecosystems. Tremendous value. But now you need to think differently. How do you partner with ecosystem players, with ecosystem shapers? At the ecosystem, you need to now partner with companies that not only help you with one ecosystem, but they help you at the intersection of that ecosystem. One great example of that intersection of the ecosystem is Meizu. It's a great partnership with Meizu, just did. We work with them to integrate UWB in their phones. Not only work with them with the technology, but we also help them position and grab their place on this ecosystem. And this ecosystem at the intersection of auto and mobile. It's a great partnership. You can see the quote. We're very grateful of the partnership. We were learning a lot, and hopefully we provide the same value to Meizu as they provided to us.